What's up YouTube? Another Nike outlet find. This is a pair of PG3s. I got them for 100 Canadian, take away 30%, which is like 70 Canadian. That's around 50 US. That's a pretty crazy deal for a shoe like this, in my opinion. Pretty nice colorway. If you like PG3s, check out the link to buy them on StockX. I'm gonna show you how they look on foot. They're pretty good ball shoes and they're pretty good street shoes in my opinion. As you can see at the back of the shoe, it says, "Don't tell me the sky's the limit when there's footprints on the moon." Let's just get a quick glance at that. Don't tell me the sky's the limit. When there are footprints on the moon. Great little shoe. Gonna throw them on here in a second. Let me know what you think of them. Let me know if you can find these in the outlets next to your house. Let me know if the outlet next to your house is still open. Let's see how they look on foot. As you can see, this is a nice little shoe on foot. Great black and red colorway. They look especially good with this denim here. It's Scotch and Soda denim. There's an affiliate marketing link to check it out on Amazon if you're interested. They stack really well and look great with sneakers. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. This denim is pretty nice. The shoes are pretty nice. I personally wouldn't wear low-cut shoes for basketball, but I know a lot of people like them. A lot of people especially love the PG1s. I think this is definitely a great silhouette for a sneaker. Definitely a great colorway too. Ultimately, they're nice shoes. I have no complaints. What do you guys think of them? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.